round and round in a pizza on the ground. Rolling wheels and rings that spin. Circles make us smile and grin. Shapes, shapes all around. Shapes are everywhere they can be found. Circles, squares, triangles too. Shapes are fun for me and you. Squares, strong and straight. Four equal sides that look so great. Window panes and checkerboards. Squares are shapes we can't ignore. Shapes all around.
Well done!
Shapes are everywhere they can be found. Circles, squares, triangles too. Shapes are fun for me and you. Triangles, two sides we see on a sailboat or a Christmas tree. Pizza slices, mountains high. Triangles point up to the sky. Shapes,